Hello my friends, welcome to my new video. I hear from a lot of people that Binance is a good exchange, but I can't use it. They say it's a bit profitable. In this video, we will open this problem. Even the most unfamiliar person will easily use the global Binance exchange. And you will not need crappy exchanges. You will use it comfortably, and you will reach many coins quickly. I will tell you how to use Binance today. I'll explain it from scratch, so I'll explain it in a way that even those who don't know anything will understand, and I'll give the tactics I use. And I'll explain it completely on mobile, because many friends use mobile, because you will soon see a mobile screen here. While our topic is Binance, at the end of the video, I will talk very briefly about an airdrop that will be listed on Binance. Let's move on to our video without wasting time. My friends, I am Monte Crypto. I create content about cryptocurrency opportunities for you on YouTube. You can subscribe to our channel not to miss such opportunities. Today our topic is Binance mobile usage. So how will I explain it? Let me tell you step by step. First, we will start from the very beginning. We will download Binance's mobile app on our phone, then we will become a member, then we will complete the authentication. After that, friends, we will activate this FA protection. We will transfer money to our Binance account, and I'll show you how to buy and sell. If you're ready, let's get started. Now we are in the first stage of our video. I opened my mobile app. And friends, I typed Binance here. Now don't download the wrong app here. Pay close attention here. Look at the friends at the top. 261,000 comments. I click on this and press download. Friends, our application landed on our screen. I click on Binance. Now there are two Binances. One is a global Binance that serves the whole world. There is also Binance TR. It only works in Turkey. Today we are talking about Binance, where all global coins are listed. Now our screen is open. Sign up and log in at the top, friends. I click on that. Then there is creating a Binance account below. Now I like to create it by email, and my Binance TR and global Binance account have different emails. I'm doing this for security. I put my email address here. I accept the account creation rules. And I hit next. Now I got a verification code in my email. I open my Gmail account for this, and here's the verification code. 383,509. I entered the verification code, friends. It says create a password. It will be uppercase and lowercase. It will be a number, friends, and at least 8 characters. I entered my password. I press next. Now this is the reference ID optional, but it's an important part. You can enter my reference code here. Now this is my reference code, friends. QT810B0. Now you may say, why should I enter your reference ID? When I celebrate, it first provides a 20% commission discount. This is a very important rate. It is really very profitable in the long run. So is there any other advantage? We have a closed Telegram group called our friends Monte Crypto Conto Analysis. If you are good at our reference link and fill out the form below, you can go to this group. For example, I shared that I bought TI here at $2. I shared that I bought Solu here at $62. And a large number of friends are distributing whitelist here. At the same time, friends, there is a campaign where we give $30 to those who are good in our reference. All these details are all video description. If you do not link your reference code at this stage, you cannot link it again. I'm also turning on notifications from Binance. And I came to the authentication part. Friends, I'm not adding the master password right now. I said jump here, and I'm a member now. That's it. So what are we going to do? We will verify our identity. It already directs us directly there. Here, friends, I choose Turkey. I pressed continue. Friends, there is nothing very important to do here. We need to enter the information written with the ID exactly, because we will actually take our identity photo. I click continue. Now, as I said here, since I did not combine TR Binance and Global Binance, I clicked on the following and continued. Here I choose the ID card. You can choose ID card or ID card. You can authenticate in a practical way. And then friends, I press next. Now here with my phone's camera, I will take the front and then the back of my ID card, and then I need to take a selfie. In the selfie, it asks us for some movements. For example, the movements we see on this screen. Whatever it is, we will do it. Sometimes it says turn right, turn left, or open your mouth and close your mouth. Everyone says differently. Whatever movement he wants, friends, we make that movement in the selfie part and we press forward. And such a screen comes to us, friends. But pay attention. This is the Lite Binance we call Binance Lite. So don't be a little more professional, but don't be afraid. Now we're going to make it professional, and I'm going to show you step by step that it's very simple. I click on the logo on the top left, guys. And at the bottom, I click on Binance Pro, and we're on Binance Pro. When you click on the top left, you can see that my identity is now verified. Authentication usually takes a few minutes, guys. Sometimes it can take a day or two, but if it takes longer than 48 hours, there's a Binance customer meter. Look, there's a microphone sign on the top right. You can click on that and talk to the customer metering. Now everything is very good. I've set up Binance. I'm looking down. Look at the home page. There's a section where it shows the markets. There's a section where it shows trading. There's a section where it shows futures. And then, my friends, there's a section where it shows my wallet. These are the tabs of our Binance mobile app in general. Now, the first thing we need to do on Binance is 2FA. So we're good. We've authenticated. Now we need to have two-factor authentication activated. For this, again, I clicked on the top left and look, it says Binance user. I click here, guys. I'm going to click on security and I'm going to turn on authenticator verification. I came to the authenticator app if you don't have the app installed. Below you say download the authenticator app. This is the authenticator app that Binance has a deal with. So which one do I use? I use Google Authenticator, guys. Let's put the link to this and the link to download Google Authenticator in the video description. I downloaded Google Authenticator and I opened it. I'm going back to Binance and I hit activate below, guys. See, it gave me a code and we need to keep this QR code. We need to keep the 16-digit key. Both of them actually do the same thing. And because you are seeing this now, you will be able to access my Authenticator code, for example. I copied this, friends. I said add code. You can flash the QR if you want, enter the installation key if you want. I said enter the installation key. I pasted the key here. Here, friends, you will write Binance and whatever your email is, for example. I typed Binance code. I said add and look, a code came up. I clicked on this code. This code is constantly renewing itself. It takes my security. So I have my username, I have my password. Now I have a third protection. That's why we call it two-factor protection. I copied this code. I'm back in the Binance app. I'm syncing forward, guys. I'm here now. I've clicked paste here. I've authorized. I've pasted the code from the authenticator just now. And now my authenticator is activated. What's this gonna do? When you log in, or sometimes when you withdraw money, it will say, give me the Google Authenticator code or 2FA code. I'll come to Google Authenticator. I'll copy this code and paste it there. And when you click on it, it automatically copies it. And the code you clicked on, for example, is now finished. A new one will come. This code is constantly renewed, friends. Now I've sent it to Binance. I've done my identity fraud. I've activated my Google Authenticator. What's next? Deposit money. You can liken depositing money to depositing money to an IBAN. For example, a friend sends you his IBAN address and you send him money. The logic is exactly the same. We cannot transfer money to Binance Global directly from our bank account. For this, we need to use a Turkish cryptocurrency exchange. For example, BTC Turk, a Turkish cryptocurrency exchange. Paribu, Binance TR. These are all Turkish cryptocurrency exchanges. Now, I cannot explain the use of Binance TR in this video. If I do, it will be a very long video. But I don't know the link to the video I told him somewhere in the corner. I left it there somewhere. You can click and watch it from there, friends. I will continue as if you have learned it now. So I will continue as if you know how to use a Turkish crypto exchange. And now we will transfer money from Binance TR to our global Binance account, friends. Now what do we need first? We need an IBAN address. I clicked on the wallet. And here, friends, I prefer to deposit. From here, friends, look, it says highlights. There are USD, BTC, ETH, and USDT. Can we deposit global Binance in Turkish lira? No, we cannot deposit, friends. We can deposit TR. That's why I choose TR. There are A's here. A is very important for us. Now, we said like IBAN, there are three pieces of information for us. Which coin will we send? Which A will we send? What is our wallet address? Make sure these three are correct. Because this is a decentralized platform. So you can lose your money and you can't find a contact person. We are increasing security. But the risk also increases a little bit. That's why it's important. When you send big money, send a small amount first. If it goes through successfully, you can send the rest. I'm using BPIRMA A because we'll transfer it to Binance for free. I copied my USDT deposit address and A's BPIRMA. Now I came to Binance TR, friends. This one has a slightly different interface. I also explained how to use it. Those who watched that video will know. I came to the wallet. I click on the withdrawal section. From here, friends, I typed USDT in the search. And it says choose A. I chose BPIRMA on Binance. I choose the same one here. And I confirm. It says enter address. I entered my address on Binance, especially this address on Android. You see it, right? But this, for example, the man viruses it. And he enters a different address. Be very careful with these. That's why I say you can send a small amount first. And let's say, friends, we'll send $1,000. Look, $0.33. It says a fee, sending fee. But it's actually free, because it counts it as an included transfer. So I actually didn't need to connect Binance TR with Global Binance. I'm already sending money transfers for free. I think it's safer to have two separate accounts. I clicked check me, I clicked my email code, I'm entering the verification code that came in my email, and then guys, I enter my Google Authenticator code, not the one I just entered. And this is the one for Binance TR. And I hit send friends down below, and my money is like the speed of light, friends. It's coming right into Global Binance. There were $32 in it. In total, there are now $1,032 in your Binance account. We also saw the deposit. Everything is very good. We're going step by step. But if you still have any questions, my friends, you can ask. Please do. Our video quality will improve. Your feedback is very important for us. Now, friends, my money is in my spot account. I don't need to transfer anything. I can buy and sell directly. My request to you, if you have friends who are curious about using Binance, you can share this video. This way, you can increase our visibility. Now I've come to the markets. And friends, you can see all trading pairs like this in the markets. Look, it says market at the top. It also says favorites. I add the projects I like directly to my favorites. For example, let's click with Pixels, friends. Look, there is a star at the top. When I click on this, the Pixel USDT pair immediately comes to my favorites. Since I have USDT, when I look at anything, my transaction parity must be in USDT, because there are other parities. For example, there is F2OST parity, there is USDC parity. I will always trade in USDT parity. Well, I don't have $70,000. I don't have $60,000. Can I buy Bitcoin? You can, friends. You can even buy $20. This is also very confusing information. Now, since our major altcoin is actually our main coin, Bitcoin, let me show you how to buy some Bitcoin in this video. I clicked on the BTC USDT pair, and here is our chart. You can watch 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hours charts. There are buy and sell below. I clicked on buy, you can click on sell. It doesn't matter. Now I have $1,032. See, that's what's available. And there are 3 types of buy: limit, market, stop limit. I'll explain the market first. The market means this. I'm going to go and buy. I tell the sellers that I will buy directly from whoever is selling at the cheapest price. You see the red area over there. The lowest price is $67,599. When I want to buy, I go and buy directly from him. This is the meaning of the market. The market is where you can make the most efficient exchange. We came to the market and now we have opened the market. First of all, let me say this. Keep some $10, $20, $30 worth of BNB because it lowers the commission fee. Why did I mention the commission fee now? Because if you do well with the reef link, you get a 20% commission reward. If you have some BNB in your wallet, you get a commission reward. And there is a bit of a commission difference between market and limit. You pay cheaper on the limit because you are actually a market maker at the limit. I'm going to show the market right now, and then I'm going to show the limit. Let's buy $200 of Bitcoin here, guys. Look, there are no open orders. My order was executed directly. When I'm going to buy and sell in the market, it's the fastest shopping method. And when I get to the wallet, let me refresh the page. And right away, my Bitcoin showed up. Your USDT showed up too. Look, I have about $800 left. I bought $200 of Bitcoin for Bitcoin. By the way, the video you are watching right now is a reward video. A friend who likes the video, subscribes to our channel, and shares the tweet in the fixed comment earns 600 TL from us. Now I'm back to the buying and selling part. Look, BTC, USDT, you can convert it to any party you want. I'll convert it to Ethereum now. Let's look at Ethereum. Let's enter a limit order this time. When and why do we enter a limit order? Here's why we enter a limit order. For example, right now, the price of Ethereum is $3,264. And I made a technical understanding. Ethereum, I'm giving an example, of course, in quotes. If Ethereum comes to $2,900, it's a very logical level to buy. Then I'll say I don't like this price. But if Ethereum comes to $2,900, I want to buy. How much? For example, I'm going to buy $200 of Ethereum. I put the amount in there, and look, everything is written here. For example, 0,00000005167 Ethereum, and I have $833 available right now, and I've allocated $200 of that for this position. I said buy Ethereum. Look, he's not just gonna buy it. I'm going back to my wallet right now. Look, I don't have Ethereum right now. I'm still in USD. Because why? I entered an order, and a new order just came in the open order section below. But if Ethereum drops to $2,900, my buy order will be executed. So if I want to buy it quickly, I can buy it in the market. But if I set a target, I can buy at the limit. That was the buy part. Now I'm going to show the stop loss. Let's put a stop on this open order. Look, I have $633 available right now because he set aside $200. If Ethereum came to that price, he would buy it. So $200 is sitting there right now. Now let's look at the sell part. Since I have Bitcoin, I will show the sale from the Bitcoin section. I'm back to Bitcoin again. Look, I have 0,00029 Bitcoin. Now let's look at the sale example from the limit. Bitcoin is currently $67,000, but I want to take profit if it becomes $75,000. Bitcoin price. See the price at the top. I'll enter the price here. If my target price is $75,000, my current Bitcoin. See, I can move this bar, sell all of your current Bitcoin. If I sell it, it will be $220 and I will make a profit of $20. I renewed my open orders. Look, my open orders are now 2. I entered a buy order and a sell order. So we use the limit in these factors. Now, if I want to cancel the orders, I can press cancel here. Order history, trading history. You can see it all from this time mark on the right side. Open orders, order history, trading history. All these, friends, you can see here. You can enter on time. Okay, good. Hoja, we understand the market. We understand the limit. What is the stop limit? You're not explaining the hardest part. Let's explain it now. Now it is very important to understand the logic of stop limit. I brought the order to the stop limit. This is what the stop limit means. Now I have some Bitcoin. I think it's going to go up in the market. But when I sleep at night, I can't follow the market. And it's $67,000 now. But if it falls to $40,000 while I sleep at night, my whole position may suffer a very serious loss. I looked and there is a support at $63,000. And if it falls below that, it means that it can fall to $40,000 and I can lose a lot. If it falls below the 63,000 support, if it comes to 62,800 liras, it means sell and stop my loss. Why don't I enter this at the limit? If I enter a sell order at the limit at $63,000, there is already a buyer there and he will buy it directly. So I need to put a condition. If the price falls below $63,000, sell at $62,700. This is the logic of the limit. There is also the opposite, and I will explain that now. Now if I see $63,000, now my order will work and execute my order at $62,700 and sell the whole thing. Notice that I had $200, but if I enter this order now, at the end of the day, if the price goes here, I will have $184, but it's better than having $100. So what do they say? You say cut off the arm. You know, don't hurt the body. If you're going to cut the arm, cut the arm. That's what it means. Stop the damage. Yes, I have some losses, but at least I didn't lose all my money. This is the meaning of the stop limit, friends. We have seen all kinds of trading. I also explained the logic to you. The price you see in the middle is the price at which the last order was executed. Now you may ask what futures are. This is a very complex subject. Of course it doesn't fit in this video. We have a video about that as well. How do you use futures on Binance Mobile? I'm guessing we're going to put it here somewhere. If you click there, friends, you can learn how to use Binance futures from scratch for those who don't know how to use it. Finally, let's look at this. This is what we usually do in the video. I mean, we explain how to climb to the money, but how do we withdraw the money? Actually, it's the same logic, but the guy who doesn't know at all may be uneasy. Let's explain this then. This time I need the IBAN in Binance TR, that is, the wallet address. I click on Binance TR, I choose deposit, I choose USDT, it says choose an A. Again, I'm going to choose the moment to enter BEP, so that's Binance Smart Chain A. I choose BNB Smart Chain A, I confirm, I copy my address, and I go back to Binance. Now because I have an open order, look, I have 2 open orders, cancel all orders, because you can't transfer that money when we have an open order. I'm back in the wallet, I have $800, but let's withdraw $300. I hit withdrawal, I send it with crypto A, I click on it, I paste the address, friends A, I choose premium B. It has to be the same A, the address has to be the same, the A has to be the same, the coin will be the same. Don't forget these 3 guys. And then how much? Let's say we withdraw $300. Look, A doesn't reflect the fee at all. Because why? It says you're sending it from Binance to Binance. And I just need to confirm it down below, guys. And then I enter my authenticator password and my email password in order. See authenticator. So that's what we just set up over there. We need it again. I entered my authenticator and email password and I transferred my money to Binance TR. If you need Binance TR customer support, you can click on this headset symbol in the upper right corner. Everything is very good so far. What did I say? At the end of the video, I'm going to talk very briefly about an airdrop that's going to be listed on Binance in the future. We've already had friends do that before. That's why it's important to do these airdrops. Guys, when you go on my Twitter, look, there is a tweet on my fixed profile. Click on this. At the top is the Kinza fan. Kinza is a project invested by Binance. I think Binance Lounge can come to this. What you need to do about it is very simple. We're going to transfer some BNB to Kinza, and we're going to lend it. We're going to do some transactions. We have all the details about it here. Of course, if I explain it in the video, it might take a long time, but it's very easy. I explained everything in the tweet. I'm putting the tweet of this in the video description. You can click and do it, friends. I hope that the video I explained how to use Binance from mobile, it has been understandable for you. But, and yet, of course, there may be parts you don't understand. Please, I kindly ask you, write the parts you don't understand in the description. Anything at all. Do not hesitate at all, because we read and answer them one by one. Thank you very much for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye. Bye.